So, this is Rainbow. His name is, Gary. I name a lot of my, toys Gary for some reason. I don't know. I just like that name. So, he's Rainbow. His name's Gary. Look how spiky these claws are. He can fly, and look at his beautiful wings. Look at the other beautiful wings.